Imagine a taste of the Caribbean right in the heart of the city. Island Vibe is your one-stop shop for all of your Caribbean delight, from your sauces to your patty and cocoa bread sandwich, the oxtail and rice and peas to the curry chicken. So whether it is yard or abroad, we not only have a good show for you guys today, but we're going to be exploring the vibe, the flavor, and the culture. So stay tuned for the experience of Island Vibes. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section. We're going to be starting another MTL lifestyle videos, so keep it locked. And I do apologize for the noise distortion, guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Now we're inside of Island Vibes, and you can already smell the taste of the Caribbean, the taste of Jamaica, and the Island Vibes is really apparent. And we're going to check out what they have going on inside of. You guys make and sell your own spices?
Yes, and we make our sauces from scratch. Yeah, right from scratch. So
And
this is
your
our
famous jerk chicken sauce?
Yeah, so this is our jerk marinade. We make this one from scratch in house. This is what we season our chicken with. Yes, and this is what we make our sauces from. We have jerk barbecue, the jerk dip, and we have hot pepper. So all of these sauces, all we do is cook these. And we put inside and we put it back on the fire and bring it to a boil, and that's basically it.
This is something that you guys have a passion for.
Yeah, and this is our hot sauces. We make these in house too. Really hot Scotch bonnet pepper.
Do you have from hot, spicy, and mild, or is it just one?
Not really. This one is the jerk dip. It's not that too spicy. So this is the raw marinade. This one is not cooked. This one is cooked. So we break it down a bit. This one is the jerk barbecue. So we make in-house barbecue sauce, and then we add the raw marinade. Then we put it on the stove to reduce. This is how we combine this one. These two, we have to put back on the fire and reduce it. So we have other ingredients that we put inside. The color is going to change. You understand? So notice this one, I just said, they have different colors. This is just Scotch bonnet pepper. So what I normally do, I just put it back a little bit, like for 30 seconds in the microwave, just to get it really steamy. Because I like when your customer come inside and they can get steam from the food.
And you want to make it hot.
Your chicken and rice. Then we add our coleslaw.
He's preparing 2 small oxtails, and of course your small oxtail is not small oxtail without your dumpling on the side, your coleslaw, and all of your mixed veg as well.
Made by Chef Marsha. Yeah man, she's the best maker around town.
Homemade, fresh cocoa bread.
Yeah. So what we do, so we have this cocoa bread very warm in the oven. Then we make our in-house jerk mayo. So we put some on both sides of.
And this is a signature that you guys have with the sandwich.
Not with the sandwich, also a wrap. So we have wraps also. So we have our jerk chicken breast. So we put some on.
And it's only jerk chicken breast that you put on here.
Yeah, just breast we use, yeah. So after we do that, then we
And then you have the option to choose either coleslaw or regular veg.
Yes, exactly. So we put a little of our in-house slaw.
This is a skip order, a skip the dishes order, and then it goes with fries.
Yeah, this one goes with fries. They have choices if they don't, when they don't want mixed greens or.
This is a ventless deep fryer, so you put the fries inside of it and it fries the fries to its perfection, and then they take it and put it with every single order that it needs to go with.
drop it in the chute right here, and then once you drop it, then you put the timer on how long you want. Because for fries, we normally fry it for 5 minutes, plantain 3 minutes. So you put a time how much time to fry it. Then it will drop out once it's done.
So you have to put oil inside
Oil
of it
and
just
everything
the same
is
way.
just the same. The difference is that it's ventless. So you don't need a vent to operate it.
Island Vybz 876, and that's for all platforms
All
or just
platform.
Instagram?
All platform.
All
Island
platform.
Vybz. The island doesn't have an S. Right now we're on Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, and DoorDash. And also you can call and have your order and pick it up in store, or you can also dine in. Typical days we're busy between 12 and 1. That's for the lunch rush for the offices. And then after that we are slowed down, and then in the evening again we're busy again for dinner. So during the slow time, that's when we're busy on the delivery apps. We just do lunch. We open from 11 to 7 Monday to Thursday. Fridays from 11 to 9. Saturdays from 12 to 9, and then we're closed on Sundays. This location we opened in July of 2023.
The machine that works up to standard right now.
So it keeps them warm.
Pot, yeah. So this is the pot, yeah. We bake them in house. We buy them and cook.
You find a lot of Scotch bonnet inside of this jerk chicken sauce right here.
We use all-purpose, we use Cajun, we use chili.
You have your vinegar, your pepper, your pimento, sugar, everything that makes a jerk chicken what it is. Jerk chicken wouldn't be jerk chicken without a sauce like this.
Can get really good marinade is Island Vybz. No carbon copy, original. And if you're not getting original, then it's like you're not going to get a good jerk sauce. We always have special, but every day we have jerk chicken on our menu, rice and peas. As I can show you earlier on, we have jerk chicken sandwich, jerk chicken wrap. Jerk chicken wrap, you can get it in 2 different ways. We want it on white toast and white wrap, or whole wheat wrap. We have that for you also. And today we have oxtail, sometimes we have curry goat.
Jamaican oxtail holds a deep-rooted significance in the island's culinary and cultural history. It is more than just a dish. It is a reflection of Jamaica's spirit, tradition, and oxtail is now a global favorite. It requires time, care, reflecting the love and effort that goes into creating meals meant to bring family together all around the world. Whether enjoyed in a family setting or at a Caribbean restaurant, it remains a flavorful reminder of Jamaica's rich heritage, connecting people all across generations.
Dumpling, so she always
So you have the option to choose between the dumpling or different. It's a passion that you guys have that makes Island Vybz what it is. But how long have you guys been cooking, and how long have you guys been in business?
This year we're going to make 33 years, because I used to be a chef in Jamaica. I used to work at the super clubs that we had started. Work with the Sanders, and then after the cruise ship, you know, I say I want to come to Canada, and this is where I ended up. I go to college in Jamaica. Yeah, that's I do catering at school. Then after school we go to Sanders, that's in Boscobel. You know, that's where I started also as a trainee. You know, that's where I mastered my craft. And after cruise ship, came to Canada at the Fairmont Hotel, it was a big Brands hotel. Then I just branched out, and this is where I'm at today.
And for the address,
It's 10807 Jasper Avenue. We are right in front of the Rexall, right on the Mayfair building. They're just 2 blocks from the Corona train station.
I'll put all their link in the description for you guys interested in getting the real Island Vybz.
We do catering also, any type of catering, wedding, anything, we cater for you too. So you can find us on Instagram, Facebook, right there. You can get our info. So I'm going to, you see how we put the fries in before. So this is the shoe. So okay, so.
We are from the island, which is Jamaica. So We use the island as the first name, and then Jamaica is all about vibes. Once you get there, you can feel the vibes of the people and everyone. So that's how we combine those two things to name it Island Vibe. I think it's a good fit for our brand and what we represent. No, we're turning it into a coffee. It's a cappuccino. Turn it into a cappuccino. So this is just the regular coffee now. So once we add the milk to it, that's when we're going to turn it. We don't just cater just to Jamaican crowd. That's what we're trying to do here. So if you come in and need a cup of coffee, we can make it for you. If you need an espresso, we can make it for you. If you need a latte, we can make it for you. So this right now would be a latte right now. Then you can do whatever. If you want to add sugar or anything to it, then that's your preference. We do offer smoothies. So we have the mango orange flavor, the pineapple ginger, which is the favorite of everyone. The pineapple ginger, strawberry banana, and the mixed berry banana. That's our specialty right now for the smoothies.
We're going to try a little bit of the hot sauce with the fries. And you can smell the spiciness of the Scotch bonnet inside of this little sauce that they have here. Taste don't even linger. It on the more milder side. The hot sauce just dissipates as you're swallowing. Oh no, I don't think that one really hit well. The spiciness in this one is really fire. I throw a little bit on the jerk chicken sandwich. This is the cocoa bread, your jerk chicken, and your coleslaw with mixed veg. This hot sauce is really selling the jerk chicken sandwich too. You can bite through it effortlessly. The fries are really crispy, and the jerk mayo contrasts the fries really well. You have no complaints. I just want to throw myself into everything. And this is what is left back from the fries. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take a few of the fries and put it inside of the sandwich. The dimensions of the cabbage, the fries, the chicken, and the jerk sauce on it, not to mention the cocoa bread. You can already see how soft. Every bite I take is a different softness of the cocoa bread. Flavor, it hits different, but you can also tell the hot sauce, you're tasting it because it's one of the most apparent flavors. It's not a sandwich you can just eat with one hand. You have to make sure that you get all of your fingers inside of it. You can tell exactly how it's going to taste. You eat in the sandwich with your eyes first before you can actually physically taste it. Every bite is a different flavor, different taste. This is Island Vibes special signature sandwich that I would recommend you guys to try. The food slap wet. Well guys, that is it for Island Vibes. Put all their link in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. We're out.